And how long have you had them for?
How long?
Yeah.
Yes.
And you get them once a month or more often?
More often.
Yeah.
Yes.
Quite regularly then.
Yes.
Are they bad or not too bad?
Sometimes they're bad.
Yeah. Where do you feel them?
From here.
Yeah.
Goes to here.
Up into him.
Yes.
Okay, so they're pretty linked to your neck then, it
Yes.
sounds like
Because
as well.
I often do massage myself. So.
Yeah. And does that help with a headache or not really?
Yes, really.
That's cool. A lot of people with headaches have problems like in their neck or shoulder that are actually triggering the headache. The nerves from your neck basically go up into your head and can often be the trigger of a headache or the cause of a migraine too. Whoa, man, this is super stiff in here, isn't it? Gee. Wow. Okay, let's check here as well. All right, let's do a range of motion to start with. Can you look to the left for me? Is that as far as you can go?
Yes.
Yeah. It feels quite stiff at the end. You're pushing through your muscles, or?
No, it's okay.
It's okay, cool. And to the other side. Feels the same or different?
I feel a little bit of tension.
Yeah. You're not looking as far this side as the other side. Can you look down to the ground for me?
Yeah.
Can you tuck your chin to your chest or not? Nearly. Cool. Look up to the ceiling. Well, okay, and back to the middle. Can you do your left ear to your left shoulder?
Left ear?
Yeah, that's it. And the other side. It's different, huh? Yeah. It doesn't hurt, but it's stiff, eh?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, let's do a couple of adjustments, and then we're going to see how you feel. Yeah?
Yes.
Have a lie face down for me. Up your back. Just relax your arms up here. Perfect. Okay. Tenderness in here?
Yes.
Sensitive, yeah? Okay, so I'm going to get you to take a deep breath in for me. Then when you breathe out, I'm going to push here and you're going to hear a bit of a pop. Yeah?
Yeah.
Deep breath in. And all the way out.
Oh, man.
How was that?
So, I felt it, man.
Yeah. Was it painful?
Yes.
Yeah?
A little bit.
Still painful now?
No.
No. Let's do this shoulder as well, because this is crazy. Deep breath here. And all the way out. Nice. It's okay?
It's okay, yes.
Loosen up this shoulder as well. Deep breath here. And all the way out. Nice. On your back for me. Op je rug. Okay. Just shuffle towards me a little bit. Yeah. Oh yeah. You have any pain in here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is your top vertebra, C1 or atlas, and yeah, it's a really common one for headaches. If you have a headache and you have like muscle tension and knots, specifically like in the top of your neck, there's definitely a chance that your headaches are coming from this area. Okay, so you're going to hear the same popping noise here. It's just a little bit louder because it's closer to your ears.
Yeah.
Deep breath here. And out for me. Nice. How was that?
Painful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just for a second though,
Just
and then
for
it
a
goes
second.
away?
Yeah, for a second. Yeah.
Sometimes that happens on the first couple of adjustments. If everything's really stiff, the muscles are like in spasm, and there's a lot of like, I guess, inflammation in that area, and then it can be a little bit sore. Usually it gets more and more comfortable as things go on as well. Deep breath here. And all the way out for me. Good. Come and have a seat. I'm facing this way. Good. Still got a lot of. Can you look to the left for me? Nice, and to the right. Good. Back to the. Can you look down to the ground? And up to the ceiling. Very good. Can you do your left ear to your left shoulder? And over to the right. Good. A little better to the right, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a stand up and walk around. How's that feel?
Feels good.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Nice. Yeah. After
I feel I got a lot of tension in my body.
you do, yeah.
Especially here and maybe also through my work. I'm standing a lot. And
Yeah, you're carrying heavy stuff as well, aren't you? Around, yeah, yeah. I think what it probably has happened is those type of stresses have like built up, and the muscle tension in your neck has built up over. Usually, it's many years to get to that level of tension, I guess.
Yes.
What we usually do is we start with like a course of these adjustments over a couple of weeks, and you can see after the first one you move a little bit more freely, a little bit better, and then what will happen is over a couple of weeks it'll get looser and looser.
Yeah.
The muscles will start to relax more and more, and you start to see, well, what we monitor during that time is things like how many headaches you've had, how much tension you have, and usually what we find is they drop away a lot. You either get less headaches less often, and feel quite a lot better also as well. So yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome, man. Welcome to YouTube.